materials of a choice is ever so important, right? Each steps are ever so important, and going with a proven and aesthetic and functional material is like not even a question, right? But I'm in the full search of like what is the best materials, right? And luckily working with Noritake has been phenomenal for me, and I wanted to share that. The consistency is the key, right? I can't afford to have, let's say, even one arch out of 100 arch being cracking out of due to wrong indications or due to a defect on the material. And the quality of a Noritake product that are countable, always countable for me, where I don't have to worry about it. When I mill STML A1 or A2 or B2, C2, they always come as a very consistent, beautiful quality, right? And that has been the main key for me, right? Because uh, my result of everyday work, my everyday work is full arch, right? We averagely do about 2 arches a week, right? Where whenever it comes out, um, I have all the ceramic, CZR ceramic and internal staining kit ready for my team and myself, where um, the result of it has to come exact same every time. It can't be good, super good, average. It's always consistent. Where that's what helps us to even get better every day, because we have a good prediction, right, of our results.